Now we will look after what is the meaning of current, voltage, power and frequency. So current is represented as I. The flow of charge particle through a conducting medium is called current. What does it mean? So the meaning of this is the conducting and the insulating. First we need to know this one. What is a conductor? What is an insulator? Very simple. In which platform the current can pass, that is known as conductor, and in which platform the current not going to pass, if current can't pass, means it is insulator. Example, a good conductor is your gold is a very good conductor. Iron, these are the conducting, and insulator means wood, plastic. Here current cannot be passed. Okay, so let's move to the next point. It means how much charge passes through a point, means in one point to another point how much charge is passing, the charge particle, how much charge particle is passing through a point in a second is called current. Means it measure as a in a second the charge particle is passing through, it's known as current. Okay, so charge is measured through a coulomb and time in a second. So current is equal to coulomb divided by second is equal to ampere. So current is measured through ampere, means its unit is ampere. Coulomb divided by second equal to ampere. The flow of current means whatever you are getting in your house or in your laptop, that is current. The passing is current. Okay, so let's move in the next. The current may be in two types. One is direct current, DC, and another is alternative current. Alternating current means AC. So DC means the fluctuation will be not there, and another meaning is either it is in only one side, this is positive side, this is negative side. DC always goes in a one side. Negative side can be possible also, minus volt, but AC will go in both direction, in a not fixed, not steady current. This is a fluctuate current, this is a steady current in one side, fluctuate in both side. This is known as AC current. So let's move to the next. Voltage. Voltage is a representation of the electric potential energy, means whatever the potential is there, the strength is there, with that strength only current is flowing. Okay, the force is the voltage, and which is flowing, that is called current. Like one example, in a river the water is flowing, the force is the air or the flow. If it is in downwards, then it can easily flow, and another one is the force, and in this condition the air is voltage and the water is current. So I think you get the point. So here let me read it out once again. Voltage is a representation of the electrical or electric potential energy per unit charge, means energy is also known as joule, energy measured as a joule. The voltage is equal to joule divided by coulomb equal to volt, but you need to remember the voltage is the force, current is flow. Okay, let's move. Power. What is the meaning of power? Power is the capability of doing something. The unit of power is joule per second, means power means joule per second, and it's measured as a watt. How much watt this is, means another calculation is there where the current and voltage, if you multiply these two, then the power will come. In adapter also it is 65 watt, it is 90 watt, it is 45 watt. This wattage is known as power. So this wattage depends on two things. One is your current, one is your voltage, and the multiply result of this is known as power as a watt. So next we move frequency. Frequency means when anything is moving, the one cycle is known as, you see, the frequency is a number of complete cycle per second, means in 1 second how much cycle is going. Like this is a one cycle, from here to here, this is a one cycle, or from here to here, this is a full one cycle. Okay, so the standard unit of frequency is hertz, it's measured as a hertz. Okay, if a current complete one cycle per second, then the frequency is 1 hertz. This is the example of it. And 60 cycle per second means it's equal to 60 hertz. Like this you can measure the hertz. In processor also how much gigahertz speed is there. So the frequency is measured as a hertz.